Hi everyone.
Sania
Mary
and Maria
are welcoming you to a new video.
Today we'll show you how to use ClassIn effectively to both meet and greet your students and how to pick the reward systems which your new students will adore.
In less than 3 minutes, you can learn a lot about your students and then decide accordingly upon the rewards you will use in your class. This way, you have much better chances of making your students enjoy your class.
First, the right combination of images uploaded to ClassIn can help you elicit the answers to "What is your name?" and "How old are you?" from your students. You can also ask "Are you 5 or 6?" while using TPR, specifically hand gestures used in Chinese kindergartens.
Note that there are several options for the number 10.
You can ask your students if they have any pets. If the answer is yes, and if they circle either a cat or a dog,
or bunny perhaps,
then you can introduce a reward system based on that pet. You can try dressing up pets or a full-blown virtual pet game.
We could be flying free, leave our worries below. Safe and sound, no one around, say the word and we'll go. But baby, we'll fall. We all go dancing down when paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping love. So there ain't no stopping love. No, there ain't no stopping love. There ain't no stopping Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads. Beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget. But baby, we'll fall. We all go dancing down when paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping love. So there ain't no stopping love. No, there ain't no stopping love. There ain't no stopping
Okay, coming up next, feelings. How do you feel? I feel happy. I feel hungry, etc.
The next question could be, what are your hobbies? Now, if your students pick playing with toys or dolls, your reward system choice could be either a dollhouse, a toy shop, or dressing up dolls, for example.
We all go dancing down when paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping love. So there ain't no stopping love. No, there ain't no stopping love. There ain't no stopping love.
your students could pick playing video games, for example, or maybe playing a sport like basketball, football, or anything else like singing. But when it comes to video games, currently, Mini World, Identity 5, Township, Pokemon, Game for Peace, which is the official version of PUBG, by the way, and Honor of Kings seem to be the most popular ones. Honor of Kings, or Wangzhe Rongyao, is a mobile game designed exclusively for the Chinese market, and it has over 80 million active players daily. The chances of your teen students playing this game are fairly high. Therefore, you can try showing your students some video game related EDB files or rewards. Now, these are actually the ones that I enjoy making because I love video games so much. Sorry.
You can also ask your students if they like watching cartoons.
You can learn a lot about your students if you ask the right questions.
Remember, if your students love your class, there's a good chance they will love you too.
We could be flying free, leave our worries below. Safe and sound, no one around, say the word and we'll go. But baby, we'll fall. We all go dancing down, and paradise is found. We're shaking up the ground, 'cause there ain't no stopping us.
That's it for today.
Hope this has been helpful.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.